What's up, YouTube? It's Saturday and Anthony and I are heading to the cabin with Ruger. We are meeting someone from Craigslist to buy a tractor, or he's buying a tractor from us. We're gonna come back here, drop Ruger off. I think we might be picking some stuff up here, not exactly sure. And then we are heading to Madison to buy some stuff, I think, pick up some stuff. Again, I'm not entirely sure, but it's gonna be fun. And we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. So, what do we have going on over here?
Oh, hi. We're loading stuff up for an auction.
What are we loading?
Some junky boat motor, an electric trolling boat motor, and some kind of light bar. The chainsaw is supposed to be for somebody else, but we'll see. And yeah, we're waiting for some people to come and pick up some stuff over there.
That's a good boy, Ruger. Come on. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Ooh, what's that?
Paint sprayer. Just enough.
It's perfect.
We said it at the same time.
So this is what we're selling. I guess the guy is coming all the way from like northern Wisconsin or some shit to buy this tractor with no engine. So yeah, now we're just gonna wait. Alright, so the guy to buy the tractor just showed up finally. Only like half an hour late, but that's okay. I am filming from the car because it's cold and I wore Converse, which was stupid. And Ruger is also going to freak out if I were to go over there. So hopefully he won't bark too much and this will be okay. Ruger, get in the back, bud. Get in the back. Good boy.
That thing was freaking heavy. We're gonna wait till they leave. He's gonna put a strap on it and then we'll go. Alright, buddy. Hi.
Hey.
Look at Rue being all regally. You're being a very good boy.
He is.
Very proud of you.
He's squeaking a bit, but he's being good.
He even tried to ask for less when he was here. It's like, nope, 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 nope. Oh, we're stopping for lunch.
Yeah.
I got some lunch. Yeah.
Oh god, I'm sorry.
look through all the cool stuff that we got. So come take a look. I have not looked in here yet, so we're gonna be going through it together. Nails, screws, drill bits. This is nice. Whole wrench set. Oh, look at this. Jeep.
Oh, that's
That's
cool.
a good sign. Fancy drill bit. It's an old lighter. Oh, we found more. Those are like safety ones, and ooh. Oh, that's what the guy was talking about. He was saying that there was a radar gun thing. It's just an old radar detector. Lots of papers. Old-timey flashlight. Oh, that's nice.
No, that is.
Old metal ruler. Oh, look, 22's mag. Got some bolt stuff. Oh, look, this guy had chalk in here. It's a good trick if your stuff's kind of outside or may get wet. Chalk seems to prevent rust on tools. More nuts and bolt stuff, little pieces. Screwdriver drawer. Ooh, they're all Craftsman. Big wrenches. They're all Craftsman tools. They're not like Chinese stuff. That's nice. Bottom drawer. Big crowbar. More wrenches. Okay, that's the top one. Give me a second to get ready. We can go through the bottom one. Alright, for the second half. Some brake tool stuff. Some grommets and the punch. Trim pieces. I think this is a hose expander. Big chunk of metal. Oh, I have one like this. I thought it was a better one. This cheap knife.
Nice.
Bag of nuts and bolts. Scraper. Little punches. Part of a Craftsman socket set. Looks like most of it's there. I probably have the stuff that's missing. Oh, look. Oh, we found his secret stash. What kinds of hardware? Cane. Supposed to be a tool in there, but nothing. Lots of steel wool. Stapler, spotlight, buffing pad. Ooh. It's a nice Milwaukee drill. What is this? Antenna. Oh, it's a CB antenna. Those are good. Vice grip. Air ratchet. Oh, air grinder thingy. Concrete inkers, more pliers. Couple of decent things in that tray. Last one. More buffing stuff. Ooh, Craftsman air impact. That's kind of nice. Polishing sander. Another one and another impact. That's alright. I mean,
It's alright.
It's usually good. It's a nice tool box, and yeah, that's good. Got a lot of stuff for another auction, and not too bad. Now we gotta load the truck back up again. Ready to help, Mag?
What's up, guys? So it's much later in the day, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. We're not really gonna be doing much else tonight other than getting ready for tomorrow to bring that stuff in for the auction. Kind of packing, probably watch a movie, chill with this guy. He's not happy. He doesn't want to be in his kennel right now. But we're going to get pizza, so he's got to stay here. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks again for watching. Bye.